And this mtura guy, today he has put for me mtura kidogo. I didn't like the way it was small today.
Yeah. Yeah. Missing someone.
How cool do I look with bald hair? I'm relaxing my hair, and I thought I should just show you guys how cool I look with bald hair. Like if I was to go bald today, I'd look good, yani. Good afternoon, my loves. How you doing? If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Guru Kenya, aka mtoto wa Homa Bay County. So today is my birthday, 12 August. It's my birthday. So a girl today is feeling fine. A girl today is feeling sexy. A girl today is just feeling herself, man. Even the welding guys today, they won't spoil my vibe. They won't spoil my shine, yeah? So I relaxed my hair, and I think I'm looking very good. I think if I was to go bald, I'd look absolutely amazing. I just found out that if I was to go bald, I'd look amazing. So today is just a feel-good video. I'm just feeling myself. I don't know, what are we having for lunch? I was thinking we have fried pineapple rice. That's what we're going to make together. It's around 3 p.m. I've been taking pictures, I've been taking videos, I've just been feeling myself. It's a brand new year for me. I'm grateful to God for giving me a new lease, for giving me a new year, the air that I breathe, my mouth, my brains, my eyes, every part of my body. I'm just grateful to be alive today. I'm grateful to be healthy. So yeah, it's my birthday. Girl Toto is feeling sexy. Girl Toto is feeling and I'm looking fine. Tumeni pesa kwa M-Pesa. Tumeni pesa kwa M-Pesa. Tuma mbegu, tuma pesa kwa M-Pesa. My M-Pesa is open. If you have my number, send me money. Send me money. Send me money. So I want Okay, now let's sing happy birthday. I bought myself queen cakes. These are queen cakes. Yes. No. I don't know what cakes they are, but they were in the oven, yeah? So, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear Vivian. Hey, nyar omo bekante. Happy birthday to me. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! So I'm now going to blow my imaginary candle. I'm going to make a wish and then blow my imaginary candle. I'm eating with swag. And then, did I tell you that I want to cook fried pineapple rice? It's not happening. I'm tired. I'm not cooking it. I'm going to take you with me. We go eat mutura base. I'm going to take you to that place with me. We eat mutura yani. Leo tutashinda hivi mkiniangalia. I cannot slay like this and then nikose kuleta drama hapa kwa mtandao. Yeah? Tutashinda hivi. It's mutura time. And let me just tell you, eating on camera is normally very difficult because it means I have to have manners. I have to be posh and everything. Anyway, I'm cooling. I'm cooling. I'm cooling. I'm having tura and nini. This is samosa ya nyama. And this mutura guy, they has put for me mutura kidogo. I didn't like the way it was small today. Huh?